Floods and heavy rainfall in Oman have caused significant damage, affecting hundreds of thousands of people. According to reports, numerous houses have been destroyed and infrastructure has been severely impacted. Authorities issued warnings of extreme weather several days ago, but many residents in affected areas were unable to prepare in time due to the intensity and speed with which the floods came. Emergency response and rescue teams worked tirelessly to help evacuate people from dangerous areas and to try to minimize loss of life and property damage. Humanitarian organizations and foreign governments provided assistance and sent emergency aid to Oman. The devastating floods in Oman have once again demonstrated the impact that climate change can have on weather patterns and highlighted the need for effective water management and disaster preparedness worldwide.